Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial. In a previous tutorial we talked about the difference between save versus save as. And one of the things I pointed out is that when you go to save something and you click on File, if you choose to do Save As, well, the thing I don't like about the fact that Save As is right below Save is the fact that because it's so close, if you get distracted you could click Save by accident. And sometimes, depending on what you're doing, that might be a bad thing. If you really truly want to save something as sort of an updated copy or in increments, well, you really want to use Save As. So if you click on Save, that might really ruin what you're trying to do. Because it's so close, I want to show you a little tip. And again, although this tip is being shown to you in Microsoft Word, the same holds true in Excel and PowerPoint. I'm going to right click right up here on this blue bar right to the right of where it says help, and when I right click I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom where it says customize. When I get to customize, I want to make sure I've selected the commands tab. I want you to remember that save as is under the file option up here on the left. So here's file, edit, view, insert, format. Same items are down here. So here under File, I'm going to look over to my right and I'm going to scroll down to where I see Save As, and here it is right there. I'm going to click on it and hold, and I'm going to drag it right up off the screen, and I'm going to put it up here on the toolbar and release. And all of a sudden, there's Save As right there on the toolbar. But I'm going to take it a step further. I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on Modify Selection, and I'm going to go Change Button Image. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on the yellow smiley face. Now my experience has been, for some reason, when you attempt to put in that image, you have to do it 2 times. I'm not sure why that happens, but I'm going to go back and click on Change Button Image, do the smiley face again, and there we have Save As right up there. Virtually any command you see in the toolbar that is here on the left, you will be able to put up on the toolbar. So it's a good thing to know about. So I'm going to click Close. And again, the strategy behind this is I want Save As to be very visible, and also I want it to be easy to get to. So if we want to do a Save As, I just simply click on that. The dialog box pops up, and the last one we had done was B, so I'm going to type in C, and I'm going to go Save. So get in the habit of doing Save As you're working on a project, because again, the strategy is if you're going through and saving, again, it might be you do a Save As every half hour, every hour. It really depends on how much data or stuff you've put in your document or spreadsheet or PowerPoint presentation. But add the Save As to the toolbar, use it a lot, and I think it will save you a lot of time and heartache if you goof and have to take a step backwards. My name is Tony Holowitz. Thank you for being here. Have a great day.